How to fix Google Play Store waiting for download on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store waiting for download on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Google Play Store. Now all you need to do click on it and then click force stop. Now go to storage, clear cache, and then go to Play Store and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to clean some space, so just go to storage and then click clean up and clean here anything you want, or you can just delete some photos and videos. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.